First, there were two little girls. They were hiking on a mountain. They were with their father.
Oh no.
A seagull came by. It turns out that that mountain was a volcano
Oh no.
by the sea.
Oh.
And then at the top, the father threw a rock into the volcano.
Once upon a time, there was a little boy and a little girl, and they were in their house, and their babysitter named Miss Julie came by and said, "All right, kids, get to bed." And they started to go to their bedrooms, but when they opened the door, there was only blood on the floor, and there was a seagull on their ceiling. And they said, "Seagull, get off my ceiling." And the seagull said no. The seagull then lunged toward the little girl and then punched the little boy in the nuts.
Once there were two little children. One was a boy, one was a girl. The boy was named Max. The girl was named Olivia. Olivia was a sweet little girl. She lived in a mansion. Her father was rich, her mother was poor. They got divorced one day. The little girl, Olivia, met this guy named Max. She loved him so much that the guy actually liked her too. And then they started dating. They also got mad at each other. They started pranking each other. Then they came up with the weirdest prank in the world to prank each other with.
Oh no.
Then the father tried to get them because the father doesn't like them being together.
Mm-hmm.
They did the same exact prank to both of them. So they took both of their hands, just one of each, like say I was Olivia and then I was Max. And then so the father put flour on their hands. Then they put an egg. Then he put an egg. Then when they woke up, or before they woke up, the father did this exactly like this. Bzzz, and then to both of them. Then the little girl, Max and Olivia, well, they woke up and smacked their face with that same exact hand.
Oh no.
Then the egg went all over the place, all over the living room. The flour just spread it everywhere, and then it got all over the father.
Oh, no.
And so they got revenge. And they put 2 bowls of steaming hot water under his fingers while he was still asleep.
Oh no.
And then they dipped his fingertips on both hands into the steaming hot water.
Oh.
And then the father peed himself in the bed. The end.
Once upon a time, there was a little crow. And the crow said to its mother, "Mama, when are we gonna learn to go outside of our home?" Because they were always at home and never went anywhere. Mama Crow said, "Well, Timmy, I don't like going outside. I can tell you a story." So the mama bird starts to tell little Timmy Crow a story. He says, once upon a time, I met a man at a bar, and he said, hey baby girl, wanna go to my house? I said, yeah, okay daddy. So the crow took me, no, he was a robin. The robin took me to his house. He said, we can go to the bedroom and have some fun. So the mom crow said, okay, let's do it. They then made a little Timmy and said, this is a mistake and I never wish I had this. That's what the robin said. He flew away, and then Mama Crow became very depressed and hated little Timmy. And that brought them to today. She now loves little Timmy and said, little Timmy, go out on your own and see if you like it or not. He said, okay, Mama. He started flying, and then he went to like a little like corner store or something, I don't know. He started buying some like candy or something, and this little girl came up to him and she started beating the crap out of him. So he pulled out an AK-47 and shot her in the face. The end. So little bird's just shooting another bird.